Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abdullah Al Khalaf. I am ex-general manager of Saudi Gas, where Mr. Rao was working as a production manager for the cylinder factory with us. I am so sorry. I listen that he's passed away. My really this is a bad news for me, since he was very helpful for Saudi Gas and achieved many things, and also very kind with his people, with his workers and with us. So my heart with his family, and my best wishes for him, for also the family, to have a nice life, and best regard. Thank you.